rate of change of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Here d by dx of x, rate of change of x with respect to x, that is 1. d by dx of x square 2x. d by dx of x raised to n x raised to n minus 1. d by dx of a raised to x log a. What is the derivative of e raised to x? d by dx of e raised to x log e. Log e is what? Therefore e raised to x. Okay, let's come to the remaining derivative of d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x 1 by 2 root x 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of log x 1 by x. d by dx of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. d by dx of 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube. Okay, d by dx of 1 by x cube minus 3 by x raised to 4. d by dx of 1 by x raised to 4 minus 4 by x raised to 5 and so on. d by dx of constant. What is the derivative of constant? The derivative of constant is 0. The derivative of constant is 0. What is the derivative of x raised to x? Just study the derivative of x raised to x. We have to discuss the same topic, that means the derivative of x raised to x in logarithmic differentiation. Now by heart it x raised to x into 1 plus log x. X raised to x into 1 plus log x. Okay. d by dx of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. d by dx of tan x. What is the derivative of tan x? sec square x. d by dx of cot x minus cosec square x. Minus cosec square x. d by dx of sec x. d by dx of sec x tan x. d by dx of cosec x minus cosec x cot x. Minus cosec x cot x. Listen the trigonometric. Sin cos minus sin. Tan sec square x cot x minus cosec square x. Sec x tan x, cosec x minus cosec x cot x. Where is it? Minus sign. Cosine functions have minus sign. Cos, cot, cosec. Remember, cosine functions have negative derivatives. Okay. Let's have to come to the remaining d by dx of sin inverse x. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? Okay. After a class, we will discuss the derivative of sin inverse x. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. d by dx of cos inverse x, it's also the same as like cosine functions. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. There is sin inverse x and cos inverse x are same derivative with a negative sign. d by dx of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. d by dx of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. d by dx of sec inverse x 1 by x in the root of x square minus 1. d by dx of cosec inverse x same with a minus 1 by x in root of square minus 1. Okay, must study all these derivatives. Then we have to come to some trigonometric equations, some urgent trigonometric equations and logarithm contacts. What is log E1? Log 1 0. Log 0 not differential. The base E. Okay, to the base e. Log a to the base b can be written as log a by log b. Log a to the base a is equal to log minus log a. What do you mean by minus log a? Log 1 by a. Log a log a plus log b. Log a b. Log a minus log b. Log a by b. N log a. Log a raised to n. These are the important notes you have to study from logarithm. N log e. It's okay. E raised to log x is x. E raised to n log x is x raised to n. Keep this log. 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. In logarithm, this can be written as log 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. This is a logarithm connected to exponential. How exponential is log connected to logarithm? Log 32 to the base 2 is 5. Okay, keep in mind. Then, I am just giving some more trigonometric equations. Sin 2x, that is sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. One more equation, 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x, that is cos 2x equation. There are 4 equations for cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. I know all the plus 1 students have a good idea about sin 2x, cos 2x and tan 2x. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. There is only one equation for tan 2x, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x, for cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Tan 3x, 3 tan x minus tan 3x, tan 3 theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta. 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2x, 2 sin square x, 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2, 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x, 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2, 1 minus sin 2x, 1 minus sin 2x, cos x minus sin x the whole square. Whether it is plus minus, it is minus. Whether it is plus, it is plus. 1 minus sin x cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 the whole square. Now you have the idea about sin a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b, tan a plus b.